the Member of Parliament for Commander Edna Eguafo Ebrim Keye, Ono Eno Sanso Eye, the brother, and as a any former late President John Evans Atta Mills. Na papa ye friend of Samuel Atta Mills, Ono Ena Sisiano, ni buefu ye papa. Ni buefu oka se eba ne sen ena a year the so-called a year maternal and a paternal family of maternal family of a year the late former president John Evans Atta Mills eba beka say omu here autopsy report saying and then after 11 years more obia ye din ye nena ma ye boy bra ye ade a ye adwen ye ho na mo san kofa asem we ba ebeka say mo pe a year autopsy report na o say omukra na omu demand a year sa autopsy report no omu nye ebusuafo obia ni momu ewo bebia enti no on ne omu enche any autopsy report on for autopsy report bia enche obia omu ni ho kwan say omu betumi ademand for a year sa autopsy report no na osan so eka say or you innocent in the demand for that sa autopsy no na okan say or say unwana wopede wokohu oye president na nadu denko kufuado da wope autopsy wonye ebusuafo yenyim won wo beebiara we imposters Kweku Anyudohu onye Atta Mills ninua onye na ebusuani onye na ofase onye ne hwe sasamba na wakada Atta Mills na ebusuafo won bre o Kweku Anyudohu omba bi onka ho na onyim de ono na o hye akira o push nkofo bi da won hye da mba ye won ho da wo ye Atta Mills na ebusuafo na won konkaje autopsy no na autopsy no was yeden ono mo ho anyi de they are cheap people wanana samoricum. They are cheap people looking for something to eat. They should leave us alone. Woman ask one crazy, no woman ya won't try and they enjoy ya unquote. Sana papa ne kan. Now we know it follows a request via a year Nana Enyimfua the third or representing Atta Mills family. Make yet to a year president and another Danko Kufuado last week. Na Mami Penny make sa call no ewa bra one a year the founder of the Atta Mills Institute Kweku Anyudohu ono na yesi onye ebusuani no oni Kweku Anyudohu call a year president honum won kran ha na omukoshia president na Enyimfua the third can say a year the unknown cause of a year former late president Atta Mills ewu no any the importance of obtaining the report no ehun hia papa because ebeboa edi a year closure abre ebusuafo sa so na ebeboa a year historical record na osan so eka say I quote our biggest problem as a family is that ever since I was installed as queen mother I have not seen any autopsy report in the family. That is the biggest problem I have with the family because if someone asks me what killed him I won't know if the doctor said he broke his arm or his neck or drank something. Na sa asemwe a ekopiemu ewo president enim no eno ena sparky outrage over the weekend a Mark Atta Mills ono a brother of the late president eka say the legitimate family can obtain a copy from 37 military hospital. Also copy no at the 37 we ebusuani a kofa o blood test efa o birth certificate ekwa 37 de bema. It's not like obi agi no de akosie baby da ho 37 so why would you who this say ebusoni akwa 37 akwaji eti awa na osan so eka say and the autopsy note was performed at the 37 military hospital and will be made available only to legitimate family. Commented by Ewa Semwe Nyina Hono Ebini. Kofi say, hey, can these people stop making noise? Kwesi essay, when will Koku rest about the late president? We are even tired. Kate, so what at all do they want this report for? Oh gosh. Francis essay, we are tired of these people. Can we start lashing them?